Alright, now we're talking. This is called the Magilla. It's getting hot up there, Mick.
Kind of perfect.
That's a glass of water boiling violently. Only from a few of these lined up yet. And very, very crudely. And that water...
Alright!
Glass of water is way in front of the target area, which is about 5 inches behind it, which makes all the difference. But you don't get water much hotter than that.
It's off center too.
That's our sun centering device. Yeah, we're almost done. That way it tracks. This whole thing's going to be on an automatic tracking system. It'll track the sun by itself. Reset at night. Man, it's boiling, you know. Put the thermometer on it. You got it?
Surface of the glass is 203. And it's also burning my hand. Shit. I don't know how hot glass is supposed to get. I don't want to get